G'day guys, welcome to AussieMotoVlogs. My name is Dean and today I'm going to answer a question that's asked quite often on YouTube in the comments section, and that is how to park on a hill. So we're going to go right out, we're going to find a nice steep hill to park on. I'll show you guys how to do it. Now there are people like Moto, Jitsu and stuff like that that suggest that you don't park on a hill, just go and park a K away and but hey, some of us just don't want to do that. So I'm going to show you guys how to park on a hill. Let's go find one. Alrighty, as you can see we have a hill. Pretty steep hill. The GoPro never picks up the gradient of it, but it's pretty steep. Alright, so this is what you're going to do. You're going to approach and you're going to back the bike in. You're going to be in first gear. You're going to come out on an angle. You're going to back the bike in, keep it in first gear, keep the clutch in, and just back it on up, And now what you're going to do, while still in first gear, clutch grabbed, brake, you're going to turn the bike off, release the clutch, as you can see you're still in first gear. And then look, the bike's going to do a little rock and roll, and then it's going to stop. And now, no matter where you go, the bike will not move. Now, you're going to kickstand down, and land the bike on it. You don't want to be facing the bike downhill, you always want to face it uphill. And now if you get off, the bike won't roll away whatsoever. Just remember though, when you hop back on, to hold the clutch in, and just remember the bike will roll then. So, kickstand up, hold it in. You don't have to put it in first gear because it's already in first gear. This is where you're going to do the hill start technique that Brendan just taught you. I'll link the video up top. And you're just going to move away once it's safe. That's it. That is how you park on a hill. It is that simple. Always remember just to keep the bike in gear and you'll be Gucci. And park uphill, don't point the bike downhill. Alright, I hope that video was helpful. If it was, please subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now. Hooroo. I can't see a thing, it's so bright. I should have bought me sunnies. I don't think, no cars. Hope for the best.